Good morning, children. Today we are going to see construction. Construction means to draw lines, angles and shapes accurately. In earlier classes, you will learn to draw line segment, parallel and perpendicular lines and an angle using protractor. Today we are going to learn how to construct perpendicular bisector of a line segment and angle bisector of the given angle. First is a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Observe these two figures. Here AB and CD are line segment and L is the perpendicular lines for this line segment. But in the second figure, we can observe that the perpendicular line which passes through the center of C and D. That is, if the perpendicular line which passes through the center of C and D, then we call this perpendicular line as perpendicular bisector. Bisector means it dividing the line segment into two equal halves. That is O. If the point of intersection of the angle bisector and the line segment is O, then OC is equal to OD. This half and these halves are equal. Then we say this perpendicular line as a perpendicular bisector. Now we are going to see how to construct the perpendicular bisector for the given line segment. The first sum, it is given as AB equal to 8 cm. For that, first you have to draw the line. Draw the line and mark the point A. From this point, you have to measure 8 cm. From 0 to 8. Mark this point as B. The length of this line segment is AB is 8 cm. Then after that, take the compass and keep it at A and take the measures of more than half of the line segment. That is, the half of the line segment is 4. You have to take more than 4 cm and you have to cut the arcs, one above the line AB and one below the line AB. In the same way, then keep the compass at B, then cut an arc which bisects the previous arcs at C and D. Now you have to join these points C and D. This perpendicular bisector C and D which meets the line AB at O. It's a perpendicular bisector, therefore the angle is 90 degree. After finishing constructing the perpendicular bisector, you can check it by keeping the scales on line AB. The full length of AB is 8 cm and the perpendicular bisector will passes through the midpoint of AB, that is 4 cm. O to A is 4 cm. Same way from O to B is also 4 cm. After constructing the perpendicular bisector, you have to write the construction, how you construct the perpendicular bisector. First one, you have to draw a line segment AB equal to 8 cm. The next step, with A as center and radius more than half of length of AB, draw two arcs, one above one and one below the line AB. With the same radius, you have to keep the compass at B and you have to cut the two arcs which cut the previous arcs at C and D. Now join C and D. This CD is the required perpendicular bisector of AB. Next sum, the given line segment is 5.6 cm. First you have to draw the line and mark the point A. With this point, you have to measure 5.6 cm and mark the point as B. Then after marking the line segment AB as 5.6 cm, you have to take the compass and keep it at A. In compass, you have to measure more than half of AB and you have to cut the arc one above, one below the line AB. Same way, you have to keep the compass at B. Again, you have to draw the lines that arcs will intersect the previous arc at C and D. Now, using the scale, you have to join C and D. The point of intersection which meets CD and AB is O and the angle between BOC is 90 degree. After constructing the perpendicular bisector, you can check it using the scale. If you keep of a line segment AB of 5.6 centimeter, then the perpendicular bisector will pass us through half of, that is 2.8, and the OB is equal to 2.8. Now let's see construction of angle bisector of an angle. Angle bisector is a line which divides an angle into two equal halves. Then we say that the line or line segment as an angle bisector of the given angle. Here the angle AOB is given as 60 degree and we draw a line of X which divides the angle AOB into two equal halves of AOX 30 degree and XOB 30 degree. That is, if a line divides an angle into two equal angles, then the line is called angle bisector of the given angle. Now we can see how to construct an angle bisector for the given angle from exercise 5.4. First sum 60 degree. To construct an angle bisector, first you have to construct an angle of 60 degree using protractor. For that, first you have to draw a ray of A and B. After drawing the ray, you have to keep the protractor at A. You have to measure an angle of 60 degree. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60 degree. You have to mark the point and join this point as C and join AC. Now the whole angle of A, B and C is 60 degree. For the 60 degree, now we are going to construct an angle bisector. For that, you have to take the compass of any radius. You have to keep it at B. Keep the compass at B and draw an arc which intersects both AB and BC. For AB, it intersect at E and in BC, the arc will intersect at F. Again with the same radius, keep the compass at point E and draw an arc in the interior of angle ABC and again with the point F, cut a previous arc and mark this point of intersection as G. Now draw the ray AX which passes through the point G. Now ABG is equal to GBC. These are 30 degrees. Again you can check with the protractor. If you keep the protractor at B, you will get angle ABG is 30 degree and angle XBC is 30 degree. After constructing the angle bisector, you have to write the construction. Let's see one more sum of 100 degree. Here also first you have to draw a ray BA. Then keep the protractor at B and mark an angle of 100 degree from the right hand side. That is 0, 10, 20. You have to mark it at 100 degree. After constructing the 100 degree, take any centimeter in your compass and you have to cut an arc which bisects BA and BC at E and F. Again with the same radius, you have to keep it at E and F. These two arcs will cut at G. Now you have to join BG. Here BX is the angle bisector of angle ABC. Thank you.